In St. Paul, Minnesota, 55,118. Boldt HVAC is a reliable option for anyone looking for an HVAC contractor. They are well equipped to manage all kinds of HVAC needs with a broad range of services that include heating, furnace repairs, air conditioning installations, and boiler replacements. Are you looking for HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Boldt HVAC. What is HVAC basic principle? The fundamental idea behind HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems is to maintain efficiency and comfort in homes and businesses by controlling the indoor environment through the regulation of temperature, humidity, and air quality. HVAC systems function by utilizing a variety of parts, such as ventilation systems to control airflow and eliminate pollutants, air conditioners for cooling, and furnaces for heating. What does the HVAC do? Offering a broad range of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services is the area of expertise for Boldt HVAC, an HVAC contractor serving St. Paul, Minnesota 55118. Their group of skilled professionals handles all facets of HVAC systems, including heat pump, boiler, air conditioner, furnace, and more installation, maintenance, and repair. Where is your service area? Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prior Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield are among the communities that Boldt HVAC is happy to serve. Where is your Boldt HVAC located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, MN 55121, United States. Our phone number is 833-758-6461. Visit our website, https://.bobbots.com/.